The invisible boogeyman is dead today, shot in the head while hiding in plain sight in his fortified $1 million mansion protected by concrete walls and barbed wire. The long search for our enemy now over, with an order from the president to make good on his loan. A perfect shot at a perfect time, a failed savior up for re-election, now redemption and resurrection. Now the sheep baa in the valley, USA, USA, from the flock waving flags proclaiming their freedom-fulfilled revenge on the wolf that slaughtered their young, weak, and sleeping. But still in death our boogeyman is invisible, conveniently dumped at sea. Show them the pictures. Let them kick the corpse. Let their hooves stomp the flesh until the blood stains their wool red. Let their black marble eyes reflect their enemy inside themselves. Today is glory. Today the sheep become the wolves. Today murder is justified. Celebrate the death. Soon it will be you. Soon it will be all of us.